Mary from Cinco Ranch has plumbing changes.
Yeah, she wants to reconfigure, Tom, this bathroom right here.
A little tight.
It's
typical.
And
fine.
I'll tell you, one of the challenges is that centerpiece. When you walk in, it's like it's a shrine to the toilet.
Well, I personally like that. I think it should be.
Because Tom sometimes
in all my glory.
Tom forgets where he's going sometimes. It's good to have the target.
That's the one place I need to go too fast.
Mary writes to us. Remember Mary? She says, I'm concerned about cutting through the slab to access the plumbing because we had foundation repair done in this area. So she thinks it's a little funky under there.
Understand.
We want to install a tub and shower combination on the wall with the window and move that toilet to the right or left so it's not the star of the show anymore. So some contractors have said cutting the slab is not an issue. We do it all the time. Others have recommended tunneling, especially since we're working close to an exterior wall. So Tom, Mary wants your thoughts.
Tunneling's a mistake. And I'll tell you why. You had foundation repair done. Mm-hmm. You can't fill those tunnels back up, so water's going to get underneath there and maybe hurt your foundation repair problems or hurt your affect your foundation repair results.
It won't be good.
No. I'd rather you just cut it, move the plumbing. They're not going to cut a lot. Fill it back in. It's going to be fine because most of the slab is thin. Mm-hmm. It's not the structural part. The beams that you tunnel under around the edge, that's the structural part, and that's not going to be an issue here. Cut it. Don't tunnel because then you're going to get problems.
So to sum up, don't tunnel.
Unless you call Due West and you have a really big problem. In this case, you don't.
No.
You've already fixed it. We just want your bathroom looking good.
Yeah, she wants to make those sinks closer together, too. And I'm here to tell you, don't do that. I'm just telling you, from a practical experience, don't do that.
I actually made a mistake. I have 2 sinks in my bathroom. I remodeled, kept them. I wish I'd have gotten rid of one and just kept one.
Got one really big in?
No, just one sink, but a lot of countertop.
Okay. Because you can never have enough countertop.
No, you got to put all your stuff up there.
Yeah, my wife
all my
wishes
hair
I had
shampoo
less
and everything.
I'm a hoarder. Things pile up.
He is
on my
a hoarder.
Yeah,
he has bunny trails in his house. You go around.
No, I don't. No, I've got a wife. I don't want to have bunny trails.
Okay.
Right. But what we'd like to get more of is your questions. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them right here. You see, videos over here. We do it, and we have a channel. Subscribe to it.